I'm John Schierick. Good news about the pandemic's worst starting to level off, balanced with caution to go slow. Dr. Harry Hyman of Georgia State University's School of Public Health points out that cases in 5 metro Atlanta counties, for example, are showing signs of flattening, but not coming down yet. And the state is saying that its containment strategy won't be fully in place for another month. Dr. Hyman's advice, as the state reopens, it's more important than ever that people should not let down their guard yet.
I'm Tracy Potts. Senators are leaving Washington for the holiday weekend with no deal on the $3 trillion proposal to help the country's economy. It would include direct payments to Americans, but Democrats and Republicans still at odds over whether any economic relief package will pass. Republicans say certainly not that one from House Speaker Nancy Pelosi. We'll see what happens when they get back. Meantime, the country is reopening just in time for the holiday weekend, a big relief for a lot of people who've been stuck in their homes, but there's a concern that people may be out and about spreading the virus.
Stumping for Joe. Democrat Joe Biden's wife campaigned for her husband Thursday in Georgia, but it was a virtual visit. Dr. Jill Biden hosted a Zoom town hall with frontline workers in Albany. She also talked to metro Atlanta teachers.